I have a hamster, and like her, I know one thing. Winter is coming. I'm going to clean the car so that it doesn't so it doesn't rust. That's it. I'm just going to show you how to do that. You need a couple of things. Now, here's what you're going to need. So, we've got the pressure washer with foam cannon. These are good fun. We've also got the bucket. Don't look at the car. I'm going to wash this out, I promise. I got the soap. This is to make sure that the car won't rot, because I kind of need it to, live. So get your pressure washer ready to dampen the vehicle as much as possible, and you're going to start from the top down, blasting off all that dirt on the surface, and pay particular attention to rain gutters and moisture traps where, dirt likes to collect, and also pay particular attention to the undercarriage as well, because that is where the dirt is going to hide, and that is where things are going to start to rot. So make sure that undercarriage is sparkly. So what I have succeeded in doing is basically making the car wetter, less saltier, and it's ready for the foam gun, which is the cool and funny part. Insert the joke. I might do that in editing. Shall I insert the joke? Shall I put the joke in? Yeah. I can't get the hook. I'm sure there was a double entendre in there somewhere. So, time for the sponge bath. Actually, don't use a sponge, use a microfiber mitt like I'm doing here. It'll scratch the paint otherwise. And just soap in the bucket, crack on.
I was just watching a video and apparently we've been betrayed by gay, beta male, liberal cuck men. No!
So, now we've finished the foam bit, we're gonna rinse the car off to get rid of the suds and any remaining grit that might still be on the surface.
Oh, are you doing a thing? Just saying, the video I'm watching, the guys from the woke libs and all that, but in the background, kitty cats keep showing up. Those are going to the shops. Don't forget your blue cloths.
Hey, what's up guys, Scarce here. So we've just washed the car and it looks pretty good. It's a pretty good car, over 1 million subs, and well, it's cleaner than it was. Not amazing, but it'll do the job. I just haven't got the time these days to lavish all the love, care and attention on this car that I used to. And to be honest with you, this does the job just fine. It's going to stop it from rotting. So I'm really not going to be bothering taking up any more of your time. See you later, toodaloo, Roblox gamers.